tea or chai? We've grown accustomed to drinking chai because we've been able to order it for years now at those national coffee and tea chains. But if you want the original, made from scratch, come here with me to Chia Chai. Inside, your sense of smell tells you this could be an adventure. Hi there, how are you?
Nice to see you.
That's Swadesh Shretha, the owner and creator of Chia Chai.
They're getting ready to make you the wonderful chai.
The aroma of curry and cardamom waft through the air. Is that hazelnut, vanilla, even chocolate that you also inhale? The answer is yes. The simple front room of Chia Chai is meant to be welcoming. A place to sit with friends, enjoy small plates of food from Nepal or India, and learn about chai. But more about that in a minute. First, though, walk into the back room to be immersed in art of the Indian continent. A large mural welcomes you with bright, intense colors, depicting legends of Hindu and Buddhist gods and goddesses. Raji Shretha, Swadesh's wife, is an artist, and she designed the dining room where you can spend an evening, order dinner, and of course, chai. Swadesh grew up in the land of Mount Everest. From his earliest memories, chai was part of his culture, his city, his friends, his family. Swadesh's father also grew tea and became the first to export Nepalese tea leaves to the rest of the world. Today, the family-grown tea is sold at Chia Chai, from black tea to spiced teas to Indian healing herbal teas. When Swadesh first came to the U.S. from Nepal, he estimated only 1 in 10 Americans had ever heard the word chai. Nowadays, with national coffee and tea chains offering chai, most of us understand that chai is tea, enriched with milk and spices. For Swadesh, chai is a calling. He opened his shop in Logan Square because he felt it was such a diverse, vibrant, artistic neighborhood with residents who would embrace something new, natural, organic, and taste good. Swadesh is just as passionate about the food served at Chia Chai. Savory pies are on the menu because, as Swadesh put it, chai and pie go together. He also dreams of a chai revolution, converting more people into adding chai to their morning routine and then staying with chai in their cups all through the day. Swadesh showed me the basic steps to make your own cup of chai. You got all the ingredients for us?
Yes, please come back here.
Good, I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah, I'll try to make some good chai for you.
All right. Okay, so, tell me how to do it.
We are trying to make the chai from the scratch.
Yes.
So for that, we need
1 full cup
of water.
Then put it in there.
Yeah. And there is milk.
Whoa. And do a whole thing of milk.
The whole
and
milk.
do I put it in the same pot?
Yeah, just same pot.
Put in the same pot.
And then let it boil.
In the meantime, now we're going to do
the spices.
The spices.
Yeah.
All right.
You know, the basic ingredients for the chai at Chia Chai is clove, cardamom, and this is the black, cardamom. This is like a little smoky, and this is a kind of like a very different than other kind of like spices. If it's a smoky and
yes, you need to have a mortar and pestle.
Yes.
Right. How much of the cardamom?
So that'll be 1 teaspoon of cardamom.
Okay, 1 teaspoon. So I've got a quarter here.
So.
Okay.
Half teaspoon of clove. And just like one of these.
And one of these.
Yeah. Cinnamon. So we'll just like put about. Yeah, it's a real.
The smell of it when you broke that,
yeah,
right?
Yeah,
you
it's
could,
very,
like, woo,
very, yeah,
you could smell that. Okay, so just a little,
just a little
piece of it,
yeah.
and then
just grind it.
Good.
So we'll just like come to the full boil. I'll put the spices now.
Okay. So I just dump it in there.
Yeah, just dump it in there. It's heavy. I'll just.
You're right. It's very heavy.
Yeah. So I'll just put the spices, and we'll put 1 tablespoon of tea. Yeah.
Your father grew this?
Yeah, my father exports it. Yeah. That is for the two cups.
Okay. Oh, looks good. So it's really boiling now.
So we'll stir it like this, slowly, like this.
I wish you could smell this.
Yeah, this is so good.
And then how long do you boil? Just let it boil?
After like 1-2 minutes, we just lower the flame.
Okay.
Let it sit for like a minute or 2.
I saw in the recipe too that you add some sweetener.
So we add sweetener later. So you kind of decide how much you want.
How much you like.
So this is almost ready. So we'll just have to strain it. And this chai is ready.
Okay, try.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, I don't need any sugar.
You don't need
Or
it?
any.
Yeah. It's really flavorful. You think a lot of spices. You know?
I love it. So, and it's cheers to everybody, right?
Cheers.
Thanks.
Yeah, thank you.
For details on this recipe and more, go to suntimes.com.